here, and their main occupation is apple orchard. They have apple orchard, and then mostly they eat papad,
Papa.
and then potato, like that, and
Okay, well, so
okay, thank you.
so much. Thank you. Whatever she has given information, it's really about Alpha village, and we have also heard about this village. So we just have visited this village properly, and twicely we have just made this video. In our first time in Hindi and second times in Maithili. Well, we must have to visit. We must have to explore. As a creator, I try to expand my knowledge. I try to know about these things. As you can see here, these trees are apple trees, and the main occupation of the villagers are to grow apple and sell it. And this is a traditional and historical palace of this area, especially on the way of Muktinath. This particular village is very attractive, and we have seen here uh, everything just attracted. Every people of this village are very cool and calm. They just uh, tell us namaste, and these things also felt us proudly that we all are Sanatani, and these things really impressive.